But the clash never go on. So who want clash? No, you see who for mouth open? But when they never read when the mouth open. I know the mouth like I know the mouth I open up back when I read up on the police music. So, when I beat nobody, but there is two sides to the story. No, mama say the girl hate her, and mama say, Ray. Okay, the girl copy you. Yes, the girl do that. But mama, you and the girl have a vibes there, long time, cool. But mama, oh, it sound like how much time you diss the girl, so I'm gonna hear the girl answer you. Oh, me not hear the girl, there's so much time. Some big disrespect go on and some big drop word. So the question is, how in a them that time that then she never answer you? Something not right. No, somebody ball out same way she not answer you. When I try to mix me up in the thing, I'm mixing something to you. I am not out here. I try defend Queenie if it look like say me I look friend or I look at I. Me I try to tell you now say there is two sides to the story really in life. Mama have her issues, Queenie have her issue. The bottom line, the two of them have them look issues. The issues they are boil. It's a issues where it never can settle. Why, boss? Do you know that even Jesus Christ himself has a cleat? You know, this is the mama gone to him and him not deal with it and it's still a go on. You blind? So why wouldn't feel like we can do something about it? Why wouldn't feel like we can do something about it when it up based on the orders of how it is? It is up in the order Jesus and more than all of us right now on the live. So why it never wash you under the water? Why it never go away? Why? All I am saying overall, my view, my kind. If mama want to come back. I want to do it in the clash. Because I feel like the only a clash can level the vibes. Because if you are going to carry that belly there, the belly now go grow and the picnic now go burn. It's going to be a forever belly. Because I realize that Jesus Christ said, no, you not crash it, so that means you don't want a clash. To calm it. So who ready for the clash? So if you have come in at the clash, I could clarify it. If I could clarify the position now, I could clarify the title because really have a fact, everybody have an issue. So moment up with the excitement and say no, all they need to come and say, alright, we're going to do a clash, no bad word. Since you did it on the preaching already, you know, and attack. All you need to say then, after the COVID National Stadium, we are bring back Jamaica. Come now. We are planning something. After the COVID, the Prime Minister will approve it. Me and the two queen, them will clash. Who will get the crown? We could settle it. Sing clean song and settle it then. Because that's the only way, because that's how the belly start. I remember my advisor, you know, I come out of the mix-up part. Remember that's how the belly start. And why you look at it that way, RT? Because I don't see it that way, no, boss. No disrespect. Because the woman in a church, I don't see it that way, they like how you say it. No disrespect, boss, but I have to give you my view. Then me would have said to you, I understand everybody have them legal right for view and think anyway. And I can't tell a man to force and take my view. But all I'm simply saying, I believe in my view because she in a church and God not do nothing to it. Alright. People are going to say, but RT, yeah, hypocrite. Yes, me talk it. So me no vex. No, RT, I'm a real man, meds. Me like, but yeah, hypocrite, Yes. Me not go say a lie, tell. You have to be hypocrite sometime. Me not understand you. Couple months ago, you cause as a spice are wicked. Yeah, say she dash your dirt. You come out and you mud the girl. No, all of a sudden you are say, and I push up your dirty self. And I push up your dirty self everywhere. I know you come back now and say, even in the spice and lady saga, yeah. Lady Saga beat Mama. Lady Saga beat Spice. Oh, you. Matter of fact, you switch before the Lady Saga come out. You switch from Sensei, I drop Calabar and all of them things there. How you feeling of yourself? For you come out and you beat the girl. Because nobody not really interview you, so I'm going to interview you then. How you feeling of yourself? For you beat the girl. And after you beat the girl and done, you see other people that beat the girl. And now you start to talk good now and not beat the girl again. Me confused. When you give her the biggest beating from every other beating, me confused. I'm going to say something to you. Everybody have them problem. Everybody have an issue. Don't want to feel like me not have issue too. Somebody got it with me. No, let me reason with you. Come on, answer. Let me reason with you. 2 minutes. Listen me and answer you. Remember, me say me a client, she say me a friend. Remember me say me a advisor, she say me a friend. Cool? So she only listen to she more than me, because when I say me no nobody. So she say you was our friend, and you say you was a woman advisor, whatever. She never said that. She said you was our friend. Alright, cool. So since you don't believe she over me then, alright, she said me was our friend. Cool? So I'm going to take it at the friend rate. So we was friend. As gone to the energy and everybody too. Because of that I'm going to work with. We was friend, and me and my friend fall out. I'm going to tell my friend of mine. I'm going to tell my friend every blood clot thing. I'm going to go about my business. I'm gone. Me and my friend used to do business together. We no longer doing the business. We fall out. Them alone and do them own thing. When we were running the business together, the business used to grow and people used to buy. Now me no business for the business. You still do your business. People intend to me go on shut down your business or fight against your business because I'm come out strong and I go on with myself. So watch this my result now. So me see the business I go on and me love it and me.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.